Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install a centrifugal clutch on a horizontal shaft engine. This is a 6.5 Greyhound. Okay, here's your clutch right here. If you see, you got your keyway slot right here. You got a set screw right here that screws down, puts pressure on the keyway. And you got another set screw over here that comes against the crankshaft. And make sure they're out, not in the way. Your engine should come with a keyway. If it don't, it'll tell you what size to get. Down there so I can show you better. Set your keyway in the slot. Hold it. You take the clutch, put it on just like that. Then you take your Allen wrench, tighten it down pretty tight in both screws. If I can find it there. Tighten it up just like that. Then, actually your clutch will be up more on the shaft. More, this is just showing you how you do it. Then there's usually a hole that goes, I don't know if you can see it or not. There's a hole in the crankshaft, and you stick a bolt like this with a big washer on it in there to hold it, keep it from coming off. And that's really all there is to it. It goes on the same way as a pulley would. You got your slot and your set screw that goes on it like that. It puts the pressure on the keyway just the same as that. Only difference is this just has one screw, whereas that has two. So, well, that's about it. So, catch you all later. Thanks for watching.